According to WHO, in recent studies, 5 in 10 women have PCOS. So, what exactly is a PCOS or a PCOD? It's a hormonal disorder causing enlarged ovaries with small cysts that fail to produce the egg, and that's why you miss your monthly cycle. These hormonal changes can lead to infertility, heart diseases, cholesterol issues, diabetes, to an extent even endometrial cancer. In order to prevent from getting this and to lead a healthy lifestyle, we have to make lifestyle changes by eating diet rich in nutrients and cutting out junk food, which would lead to a healthy body as well as a healthy ovary. Make sure to involve more of veggies and less non-veg to get maximum benefit in order to cure you from PCOD. So now let's see Indian PCOS diet plan. As soon as you wake up, try to have a glass of lukewarm water first thing in the morning. And after doing your daily routine, let's get to the breakfast. You can have 1 plate of dalia. It's rich in a lot of nutrients and high in fiber as well as less in carbs. A good option. Dalia is super easy to make and it's very less time consuming and of course good in taste. But again, if you are really not fan of it, you can skip and of course make chapati. But do include methi in the atta when you actually make a dough, or you can even add palak or beetroot, but make sure to add any of this high content water veggies in order to get maximum benefits. Just stick with 2 chapatis with 1 bowl of dal. That's it. Again, if you are not fond of chapatis, then make oats upma, the one of the very feasible option for anyone. It's again very easy to make, rich in a lot of nutrients, and you will be full for long. But make sure to have it only 1 bowl. The breakfast is over and you would be hungry. Let's have a mid-morning snack. You could include 1 apple or a handful of berries. Both of this would keep you full till your next meal, and that's lunch. But if you're somebody like me who doesn't love fruits, try skipping the fruits and have 1 glass of coconut water. You could also include coconut meat. It's very relishing, delicious and good in nutrition. Now let's move to the next meal of the day, which is lunch. You can have a bowl of salad with sprouts, or you could have beetroot roti. And I've not used atta. Instead, you can use jawar or bajra and have it with 1 bowl of vegetable curry and salad. Or you could have 1 bowl of nutritional soup. Moving on to our next evening snack. 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. And along with it, have around 8 almonds and 4 walnuts. Nuts and seeds would enhance female fertility. And nextly, instead of your regular tea, have cumin tea or green tea. You could even have the fat cutter drink, which I've uploaded in my channel. I've put the link in the description box below. Lastly, let's move to the dinner. You can have 1 bowl of fruit chaat. You could make lentil soup, either with a variety of mixed lentils and make it into a watery form, or just 1 lentil and mixed form of vegetables and have it for dinner. And if you don't want any of this, then have turmeric milk. Turmeric milk is known to enhance female fertility and give you a good sleep. And finally, not to forget, have a good form of exercise for minimum of 20 minutes a day. Running is the best option for the PCOD patients. But if you are overweight and cannot go for running, don't worry, don't put stress on your knees, but do yoga again for a minimum of 20 minutes. By making the small changes in your diet plan, you could control PCOD and lead a healthy, happy life. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and do tune in for more.